Alrighty, hopefully if the weather permits, I'm going to replace 3 doors and the rear bumper and a few other things. Let's get to it. Well, I was only able to get the door and the bumper and a few other minor things done. I end up, the weather kind of went out on me and I ran out of time, so I'll show you what we got done. So I got the door on. Nice thing is the door actually closes like it's supposed to now. I don't have to slam it, so that's a nice change. The rear bumper's on like it's supposed to be. Pretty happy with that. It's actually on. You can tell that this car's a little faded. Next week I'm going to change these 2 doors. I just ran out of time. Another couple things I got done is I got a tweeter in, and then I got the stereo, and it works, and we got AC. Play the radio, but I don't want to copyright, so, but we do have AC and it works. It blow cold. I know you can't feel the air, but trust me, it's cold, so I'm pretty happy with that. This week, as long as everything goes like it's supposed to, I'm actually going to have the transmission put in. It probably won't be a video on that unless they're okay with it, but I don't know, so I don't want to like guarantee it. And I know it's weird, I'm looking at my phone trying to look at the picture, but the camera's here and not here. But yeah, I'm really happy with what I got done, even though I ran out of time. But yeah, next week I'm gonna get those 2 doors replaced and the transmission put in, and then the car's a lot less red than it was, so that's good. Thanks. Catch y'all next time. Thank you so much for making it this far into the video. If you like what you saw, hit the like button. If you didn't, hit the dislike button. Everything helps. I also noticed that only about 30% of my viewers are actually subscribed. If you would really, I'd appreciate if you subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss a video. I am putting out 1 to 2 videos a week. It's going to be balanced between the Fallout stuff and the car stuff. Hopefully you like everything I'm doing. If not, tell me. That's what the comment section's for. I do stream on Twitch Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, although sometimes I get bored and still go live on the other 2 days. 9 p.m. Central, twitch.tv/Rotomon. You can check out all my other stuff at whataboutobob.com. That takes you all my socials and all my other links. And then also I have a merch store. Merch is shwooogie.com. I'm adding stuff to that pretty often. It's either every other week or once a month, but I am adding new stuff to that and taking stuff away. So if you like something, grab it. If not, let me know if you're looking for something specific, like a design or something, and I will try to make it for you. And hope to see you on the next video. Later, everybody.